It's so peaceful.
What's that noise?
I'm up here.
The smoke detector's beeping.
Aren't I annoying?
Can you stop?
I don't think so.
I didn't want to have to do this.
What are you doing?
I'm taking it off the ceiling.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Now the alarm's going off.
I told you not to do it.
Be quiet.
Never.
I have to destroy it.
That's a bad idea.
It's finally quiet. What's going on? Our house is on fire. How did that happen? They said someone got rid of the smoke detector. I know nothing about that.